If you're lucky enough, rich enough, or stupid enough to build a PC in 2026, because RAM prices, then at least let me show you how to do it properly. First things first, you'll need your components, specifically 8 of them. You'll need a motherboard, a CPU cooler, some RAM, an SSD, a graphics card, a power supply, and a case. Now, if you don't have any of these yet and you don't know what to get, you can use websites like PC Part Picker or Build Cores to put together a spec sheet within your budget, or failing that, just use YouTube. If you search for the game you want to play along with the parts you're interested in, I can almost guarantee you there will be a video on it. And once you've decided what you want, hit the order button, and then once it's arrived, follow me, because in the next episode, I'll be showing you how to build it.